In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate email marketing with Zapier. We're going to set up a simple automation that takes new leads from a Facebook lead ad and sends them directly into your email marketing platform. This is a great way to save time, reduce manual data entry, and make sure new contacts are added to your audience as soon as they sign up. First, log into your Zapier account. Once you're inside the dashboard, click Create, and then select Zap. This opens a new automation workflow where you'll define the trigger and the action. Start by clicking the trigger step. In the search bar, look for Facebook-led ads and select it as your trigger app. For the trigger event, choose New Lead. This tells Zapier to watch for any new submissions coming in from your Facebook lead form. Next, connect your Facebook account if it isn't already connected. After that, choose the Facebook page and the specific lead form you want this automation to use. Make sure you select the exact form tied to the campaign you want to automate. Now click Test Trigger. Zapier will pull in a sample lead so you can confirm the connection is working properly. Check that the test data appears correctly, then click Continue. Next, click the Action step. Search for your email marketing platform such as MailChimp and select it. For the action event, choose Add or Update Subscriber. This option is helpful because it can add new contacts while also updating existing ones if needed. Connect your MailChimp account, then select the audience or list where you want these new leads to go. After that, map the fields from your Facebook lead form to the corresponding MailChimp fields. For example, match the lead's name to the name field and the email address to the email field. Take your time here because accurate field mapping is what makes the automation reliable. When everything looks good, click Continue. Then click Test Step to send the sample contact into your email audience. Verify that the contact appears correctly in your selected list. Once the test is successful, click Publish to activate the Zap. Your automation is now live. To make sure everything is working end-to-end, submit a test lead through your Facebook lead ad form. Then check your email marketing audience and confirm that the new lead is automatically added. That's it. You've now connected Facebook lead ads to your email marketing platform using Zapier, creating a smooth and efficient lead capture workflow. Thanks for watching.